Hello everyone! Today we are going to be making Irish soda bread in celebration for St. Patrick's Day. The ingredients for this recipe are flour, buttermilk, baking soda, and salt. The tools you'll need for this recipe are a mixing bowl, baking pan, parchment paper, a wooden spoon to mix, and measuring tools like cups and spoons. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 425. Step 2. Add the dry ingredients, which is the flour, baking soda, and salt. Step 3. Add the buttermilk to the dry ingredients and stir with the wooden spoon. Step 4. Lightly knead the dough and form it into a ball. Step 5. Place the dough onto the baking pan and lightly brush with butter. Step 6. Grab aluminum foil and cover the dough. Step 7. Put the pan into the oven and cook for 30 minutes. Step 8. Take out the pan, uncover the dough, and put it back in for 15 minutes. Step 9. Let the dough cool for 15 minutes. 10 is to eat and enjoy.